Gilani Engineering Australia and Gilani Mobility Dubai is proud to introduce our latest design wheelchair accessible vehicle, the G24 Ultimate Conversion. Built entirely within the vehicle, this is the most compact conversion in the industry. With no extending ramp, you can enter and exit your vehicle within a matter of seconds without the need for a wheelchair parking spot. We make getting around simple because you should not have to think twice before heading out. The platform can be lowered to the ground, driveway or sidewalk, allowing you to enter or exit the vehicle anywhere you wish to park. The vehicle maintains maximum flexibility with optional fold-away third-row seats, allowing you to carry 8 passengers or 5 plus 1 or 2 in wheelchairs, depending on your preferences. No need to plan ahead to waste time searching for accessible parking. You can confidently know that parking will never be a hassle again, with the ability to get in and out of some of the tightest spaces and enter low-entry shopping centres.